back to my channel. Hope you all are doing fine. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make rolled hem using your Singer fashion maker. I have this fashion maker from Singer. If you have this sewing machine at home, you can make your own rolled hem. Like in India, we used to call it picot. You can make your own rolled hem by your own. There are a variety of dresses where we can use it. Usually umbrella skirts, anarkali, kurtis, and if you have flared sleeve, you can make it on flare sleeve, bell sleeves. There are a variety of attires where you need it, and today I'm going to show you how you can do it if you have a fashion maker at home, and I'll give you few tips so that you'll get a nice finishing in it. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so step 1. You need this rolled hem foot if you want to make rolled hem at home. In India, when I got the machine, I got this foot with the machine, but here I'm in Canada now and I did not find this foot along with my machine, so I ordered it from Amazon and I got 3 sets of it. They have different numbers. This is 2 and then there is a 4 if you need a bigger rolled hem, and then there's a 6. So right now I'm using number 2 because I need thin rolled hem. I'm just using this fabric for demo purposes, but you can use it for umbrella skirts, anarkali kurtis, and even for skirt plazos. So this is the first step. You need it if you want to make a rolled hem. If you have it, if you got it with your machine, I'll show you how to use it. But if you don't have it, then you have to order this from Amazon. Yeah, I'll say Amazon is best because you'll get it at your doorstep. You don't have to struggle to find it. And so this is a normal circular fabric. I'm using it for demonstration purposes. Change the stitch to zigzag stitch, the basic zigzag stitch. Length, I'll choose between 1 and 2, and width I'll keep full. That's 6 in my machine here. Okay, I will lift this up and take one edge and just tuck it in. Yes, like this. So where you will begin, it will be a little tough, but then once you start moving, it will go like zoo. Okay, and I'll just hold it from here. I'll make 1 or 2 stitches. And step 2, before putting the foot down, just tuck it in. Once you will tuck it in, it will smoothly flow for further fabric, but initially you have to tuck it in. And tip number 1, you have to hold the fabric right here. You cannot hold it here or elsewhere. You have to hold it right here so that it does not get out of this part. I have to hold it right here and I have to hold it diagonally, and I'll start sewing. You can see I'm moving the fabric, but I'm not lifting my hand from here. I'm sliding it in very slowly. Because if I lift it in, it will quickly come out of this tuck.
that happened to me. In case that happens to you, if your underneath thread gets over and you have to take it out and do it again. So again you have to take this part and tuck this in from anywhere you can tuck this in. And I'll just put it backwards. Start where I just finished.
I hope you liked the video. If you like stitching videos, please subscribe to the channel and I'll be back with more videos. Bye bye for today. Thanks for watching.